Many industries in South Africa rely on sulfuric acid and compounds, and the compound it is used to produce. Now, the large-scale production of sulfuric acid involves the following equilibrium: sulfur dioxide plus oxygen giving us sulfur trioxide. States Richard's layer principle. Uthini Richard's layer principle? Uthi, when the equilibrium in a closed system is disturbed, the system will reinstate a new equilibrium by favoring a reaction that will oppose the disturbance. Now, how will each of the following changes affect the yield of SO3 at equilibrium? Choose from increase, decrease, remain the same. Explain by using Le-Chatelier principle. Now, bathi lokhu abazokwenza la ngezansi kuzom-affecta kanjani i-amount ka-SO3. Ngabe i-amount ka-SO3 izo-increase na amount ka-SO3 ngalezi zinto abazozenza la. So thina fanele sinake-ke kahle sibuke ukuthi kwenzakalani nge-amount kabani ka-SO3. Kodwa futhi fanele sazi ukuthi u-Lee principle uthini nge-pressure, uthini nge-temperature. Masazi lokho kuzoba lula ukuthi siphendule lana. Bathi-ke an increase in pressure. So-ke sizama ukuphendula 6.2.1. Uthini u-Lee principle ngoku-increase kwe-pressure? Uthi uku-increase uthi an increase in pressure will favor the side or will favor the reaction that produces fewer number of moles, or will favor the side with less number of moles. Now, singasho kanjalo. Omunye uzothi uthi the principle, an increase in pressure will favor the side that produces or will favor the reaction that produces less number of moles. Now, sisho ngani, sikhuluma ngani lesikhuluma ngama-number of moles? Yini lesikhuluma ngayo mina? Manje ngiyadideka mina. Sikhuluma ngani masikhuluma number of moles? Sibuka lapha nangu leya 2 la kuno-1 la. 1 singambhala la kuno-2. Should the side esingasi-2 moles. Ngapha 2 plus lo 1 lo la. Soba ngaki soba no-3. So le principle uthi uku-increase kwe-pressure kuzokwenza ukuthi kufaveke leli side elinama-number of moles amancane. So i-reaction izoshifta iye ngakuleli side elinama-number of moles amancane. Now mawubheka-ke la kufaveka ini i-forward reaction. So silindele ukuthi siproduce more of SO3, then laba bazoba ngama-reactant ba-decrease. Base-ke sa-increase i-pressure kuzofaveka i-forward reaction. So laba bazo-decrease, lo a-increase. So thina sizophendula lo mbuzo ukuthi ngabe kuzokwenzakala ngo-SO3 uma si-increase i-pressure. Uthini u-Lee principle kumanothi ukuthi increase in pressure will favor the side with less number of moles. Sesiyabuka-ke thina, okay, ngapha sina-2 moles, ngapha sina-3 moles. Okusho ukuthini? Okusho ukuthi the forward reaction is favored ngapha. So ngasho ukuthi the forward reaction is favored. So kusho ukuthi ngamanye amagama i-amount kaNakhuzana ngibhala ngombala ohlukile. Should befanele sikhethe bani between increase no decrease no remain the same. Amount yalo izogcina increase. Should befanele sikhethe ubani? U-increase. kodwa kufanele siqale siye kumanothi kuqala ukuthi athini. So soba nemark lalokhuya, nemark lalokhu, nemark lalokhu, 3 marks. Bathini-ke manje? Bathi an increase in temperature. Zibuze umbuzo. Fanele uyibuze umbuzo-ke lana ukuthi uthini uLitchard le principle ngoku-increase kwani kwe-temperature. So ukuthi uLitchard le principle nazi into fanele sizazi. Sikhuluma kanje, uku-increase kwe-temperature kuzofavor i-endothermic reaction. Ukudecrease kwe-temperature kuzofavor le sign ebheke le. Yabona? Ihamba kanje lento. Leya sign ebheke le izohambisana ne-sign ebheke phansi. Leya sign ebheke phezulu izohambisana ne-sign ebheke le. So le sign lokhu kusho ukuthi i-reaction i-endothermic, lokhu kusho ukuthi i-reaction i-exothermic. Uthi uLitchard le principle uku-increase kwe-temperature kuzofavor i-endothermic reaction. Uthi ukudecrease kwe-temperature kuzofavor i-exothermic reaction. So bese uyobheka-ke wena i-reaction yakho enikeziwe. So kwi-reaction yethu esiyinikeziwe, i-forward reaction enjani? Kufanele ukubheke lokho. I-forward reaction nansiya, i-exo. Lo obekwe lapha usitshena kabanzi nge-forward reaction ukuthi injani. Bese futhi thina sizoyibeke lo wethu la. Njengoba loyana less than 0, shuthi owe-reverse reaction uzoba greater than 0. Shuthi i-reverse reaction enjani? I-endo. Ngasonke isikhathi lo obekwe laphaya usuke esitshena nge-forward ukuthi injani. Lo obekwe ngapha, lo uzoyibekela wena ngapha. Immediate kubekwe loyana zibeke lo wakho ngapha. Lo uzositshena kabanzi ngani nge-reverse reaction ukuthi injani. Bese sigijima sekumanothi. Uthini uLitchard le principle of increase temperature? Uthi increase in temperature favors endothermic reaction. Endothermic reaction. Suyabheka ukuthi iyiphi i-reaction endothermic la, i-reverse. Suyasho ukuthi reverse reaction is endothermic. So mangabe i-endothermic kusho ukuthi reverse reaction is favored. So mangabe i-reverse reaction i-favored kusho ukuthi amount yaloya izokwenza njani, izoncipha. Amount yalapha izokwenza njani, izo-increase. Shuthi thina kufanele siphendule nge-amount ye-SO3 izokwenza njani. Shuthi besifanele sikhethe ubani lapha u-decrease for 6.2.2. Sikhethe ubani u-decrease. So uphendula kanjalo-ke le question lena izophuma futhi. Ngeke ngaphuma. Ngabe kuyadlalwa. Ngesibuke lana-ke. In a laboratory experiment, 5 mole of SO2 and 3 mole of O2 are sealed in a 2 dm cube container. The graph below shows how the number of moles of reactant and product change over 15-minute period. Now, ake sibukeke laphaya kwenzakalani. Initially, we have 5 moles of SO2. We have 3 moles of O2. As the reaction proceeds, ifika laphana iba at equilibrium when t is 5 minutes. So njengoba kuqonde laphana kusho ukuthi i-reaction has reached i-equilibrium. Bazokubuza chaza ukuthini ngala ma-lines aqondile laphana. Kusho ukuthi i-reaction isifike kuphi? Kwi-equilibrium. La khona the rate of the forward reaction is equal to the rate of reverse reaction. Kukuleli point lapho la khona the amount of reactant and product anjani are constant. Sineskhathi actually kuba i-concentration la. So i-concentration yama-reactant ne-concentration yama-product injani constant. In this case ama-number of moles. Kusho ama-number of moles ama-reactant at this point awashintshi, are constant. They are not equal. Yini equal at this point? A rate of a forward and a reverse reaction. Nalapha ya kunjalo. I-reaction la ayikho complete, but injani i-reaction at this point? I-rate of a forward reaction is equal to the rate of a reverse reaction, and the amounts of reactant and product are constant. Leyo nto eyenzakalayo. Bathini-ke lana, but after 5 minutes, the concentration of oxygen gas in the container was found to be 0,9. Lapha mase bathi nje uma ngabe sekuphele 5 minutes amount oxygen. So ngamanye amagama basinikeza i-amount oxygen at equilibrium. Nansi yana. So i-amount yini le abasinikeza yona i-concentration kabani ka-oxygen at equilibrium position. Bathi ni-calculate the Kc between 5 minutes and 10 minutes. Sitshene ukuthi u-Kc at this point ungaba uba. So sizodinga ini lapho ngani zakwethu? Sizodinga ithebula ngesilenzi. Indaba izothi okay, ngeke ngenze kanje. Izothi rice. Izothi indaba rice. Rice. So lana kahle kahle yini? Mole ratio. Lana initial mole in mole. Lana change in mole in mole. Lana equilibrium mole in mole. Lana equilibrium concentration. Issues isikhala lento le. Equilibrium concentration, guys. Concentration in mole per dm cube. Kufanele kuvele lokho kwama-unit. Now sesingasho sithi-ke sibhale i-reaction la phezulu njengoba injalo i-reaction yethu. Reaction yethu izothi 2 SO2 plus O2 giving us 2 SO3. Okay, esifake lapha phakathi mole ratio sehlisa khona lokho la lama constant lawa la eduzane. So mole ratio 2 1:2. Initial number of mole for SO2. SO2 ubani? Sina 5 initial. initial for O2 sinangaki, sina 3 moles. Sifaka ama-number of moles-ke la guys. So if bekungama-mass lawa abekwe la, bese sofuna i-molar mass yaloya neyaloya, si-calculate ama-number of moles ikhathi siwafaka kuleli thebula leli. Very important indaba yama-unit. So ngoba ama-number of moles siyajabula, if bekungathiwa i-mass ebekwe laphaya, okokuqala sifuna i-molar mass yalo, si-calculate ama-number of moles initial. So laphana initial for SO3 bekubani? Beku-0. So sino-0 laphana. So indaba iyaqhubeka la, kufanele ukuthi sizogembula la ukuthi-ke uma sizogembula sifika no-5 rand sodliwa malini asazi, sifika no-3 rand sodliwa malini asazi, lana sifikanga nalutho soqhwaba sowina malini asazi. So i-ratio esizowina ngayo izoba u-2 ngoba sino-2 lapha ratio yethu, izoba u-2 i-ratio yethu. So wina u-x, sinjalo sodliwa u-x. So la so mayinaza la siyadliwa la. Laphana sino-1 shuthi u-minus bani? X, i-ratio yethu 1. I-ratio esizowina ngayo bani? U-2, so plus u-2, 2 bani? 2x. Now i-information yethu sinikezwe i-concentration kabani? Ka-oxygen at equilibrium. At equilibrium. Manje-ke sesizoyifaka i-concentration ka-oxygen at equilibrium. Ngesiyifake. La ngithanda ukuthi siyibeke i-volume yethu kuleli point leli u-2 dmq. So i-concentration ka-oxygen ubani? At equilibrium 0,9. Nayo ya-oxygen 0,9. So nansi into engifuna uyibambe ukuthi uma sine-information la sifuna ukuyisa la ngenhla siya-times ngo-2. Uma sine-information la sifuna ukuyisa la ngenhla senza njani? Ngo-2 siya-times. Ngenzani manje lona? Siya-times. Uma sine-information la siyiletha la siya-times ngo-2. Kodwa uma sine-information la sifuna ukuyiletha la siya-divide ngaloya 2 loya. So njengamanje sifuna ukuba ne-information la, sine-information la shuthi sibuyele emuva. Senza njani? Siya-times. So kuzoba 0,9 times 2 kuzoba ubani? Kuzoba 1,8. So indaba ithini? Ngesiyikhulumise le ndaba le. Ithi indaba benginalo initial ngadliwa lo ngasala nalo. Shuthi ngithi 3 minus x is equal to 1,8. Kodwa ukubani benginikezwe ola, ubani benginikezwe lo ngathola lo la. Indaba la ayifani ngoba laphana bengingenalutho, bengizothi lo ulingana nalo solve for x. But in this case ngeke ngisho ukuthi lo ulingana nalo ngoba benginalo ya initial ngadliwa lo kwasala lo. Ayifani-ke into. Siyikhulumise sesifuna i-value ka-x-ke manje. Sesizothini? Sesizothi bengino-3 initial ngadliwa u-x wasala bani? 1,8. Ngabe ngizogembula. Fike nalo, wadliwa lo, wahamba nalo. Now sengizothi minus x is equal to 1,8 ish. Negative ngithatha apha. 1,8 minus 3. 1,8 minus 3 kuzoba negative 1,2 divided by negative on both sides x ulingana bani? No 1,2. So njengamanje x ulingana no 1,2. So lana kusho bani? U2. Okay, shuthi la inakhuza nami kuzoba u5 minus 2 into bani? 1,2. Lana kuzoba ubani? U2x. Ngoba lokho engikuwinile ngizohamba nakho. Angifikanga nalutho, lokho engikuwinile ngihamba nakho. So indaba injalo. Kanti la indaba ithini la? Ithini la indaba? Ithi ngifike no-5, ngadliwa lo, ngahamba nalo. So ngithi 5 minus 2x, ngizosala nalokhu. So sesiyazi ukuthi u-x ubani. So siyothi sekuzoba ubani-ke lapha ngani zakwethu. Sekuzoba u-5 minus 2 into 1,2. So lana ngizoba no-2,6. Lana u-2 into 1,2. 2 into 1,2 kuzoba ubani? 2,4. So ukhumbule sithe masisuka la siza la senza njani? Siya-divide. Kodwa masisuka la siza ngenhla senza njani? Siya-times. So sesiya-divide-ke, masidivide ngani? Nge-volume of a container. Now 2,6 divided by 2, sothola 1,3. I-concentration leyo njalo. 2,4 divided by 2, sothola bani? 1,2. So sesingabhala Kc expression. Kc is equal to concentration of SO3. SO3 igesi yangena. Bonke laba bangena bangamagesi. Bayangena kwi-Kc expression. So kuzoba no-2 laphaya. Exponent. Coefficient izoba yini? Exponent nangiya leya 2 leyo. Then ngapha soba ne-concentration yama-reactant. Nakhona kuno-2 nangiya. Engaze ngaba ne-half. O2. Okay. Now substitute-ke. Khumbula SO3. Ngani zakwethu SO3 1,2 all squared. Then SO2 1,3 all squared. Then O2 0,9. Then total case over 1,2 squared all over 1,3 squared multiplied by 0,9. Case wethu uzoba 0,9467. Okay, that is our case, guys. Sengiyasula-ke la. Indaba ethini-ke la bathi, what disturbance occurred at 10 minutes? Ngabe iyiphi disturbance ethatha indawo laphayana isikhathi mase siwu-10 minutes? Ngabe kwenzakaleni la? So check amakhefu wakho-ke la. La kukhona eqondile. Kukhona akhevayo amabili. So uma ngabe kuneyodwa ene-sharp curve kanje, into esuke yenzekile lapho kusuke kuyi-amount e-increasile. Noma isikhathi esiningi since uzovela uthi nje oxygen was added, kodwa kahle kahle i-concentration eyenza le change le. Kusho ukuthi ba-increase i-concentration kabani? Ka-O2. Or uma uthanda uzothi O2 was added. If you are not sure ukuthi kufanele usebenzise le term concentration, since concentration ingabekwanga laphaya, because the amount of O2 was added. But into eyenza leya nto leya ukuthi kube ne-sharp increase kwikheve eyodwa, lawa amanye akheve kanje le onde kodwa so kuyi-concentration. So uzosho ukuthi concentration of O2 was increased la. Ngilokhu kanjalo. Concentration of O2 increased. So how does the disturbance at t equal to 10 minutes affect the Kc value? So sesitholile ukuthi wena i-concentration i-affecte la. So i-concentration i-affecta kanjani i-value ka-Kc? Ngabe izo-increase, izo-decrease or remain the same cars? So uzosho ukuthi no, there will be no change. Why ushintsho lungekho sibe si-increasile? Abashongo ababuzanga ukuthi why, but sesiyazi thina ngoba kwesinye isikhathi bazobuza. Kc is only affected by an increase or decrease in temperature. Or ungavele nje ubhale nje ukuthi Kc is only affected by the change in temperature. So okay. But i-affectwa nje i-temperature kuphela u-Kc vele. So increase kwe-concentration akuyi-affect. Uku-increase noma uku-decrease kwe-pressure Kc value ayi-affecteki. So affectwa yini? Ishandise kuphela. Izo-affectwa i-temperature kuphela. So nayo umbuzo. Umbuzo uthi after 12 minutes, okay, laphaya bathi nangabe sekudlule ku-12 minutes laphaya. So lezi zinto-ke ziyaqonda-ke njengoba sesinikiwe lapha. Bathi-ke after 12 minutes, the following sketch graph of the reaction against time is obtained for equilibrium mixture. Okuwukuthi le dotted isitshena ngani? Le dotted isitshena ngani? Isitshena nge-forward reaction. Le solid isitshena ngani? Isitshena nge-reverse reaction. Bathini-ke la bathi a catalyst is added to the equilibrium mixture at t equal to 15 laphaya ba-adda ini i-catalyst. Now redraw the graph above in the answer book on the same set of axes. Complete the graph showing the effect of catalyst on reaction rate. So nansi into okufanele uyinake. Why singashongo lana ukuthi the amount of oxygen was removed or decreased? Why is it increasing? Ngoba igraph yethu isuke yaphezulu. So ukusuka kwegraph yaphezulu usho leyo nto basuke beyi-increasisile. Mhlawumbe ake sikhulume ukuthi sobona ngani mase kungenye into. Mhlawumbe ngithi temperature le affecte la. Ake sithi asike si-temperature man, i-concentration. Angithi i-concentration i-affecte la siyavuma. Mangabe kungasasi i-concentration sengenye into, sengenye effect, sobona ngani? Kuzoba into kanje, okay? Ngaqonda ama-graph wethu. Mase kusuka la enye mhlawumbe izokheva, enye izokheva. Wonke nje azokheva, ayikho ezoqonda kanje noma ezoba ne-sharp decrease or ne-sharp increase. Okusho ukuthi la into ezobe i-affectile i-temperature. Mangabe wonke ama-graph wethu enje, mangabe wonke anje, i-temperature isuke iphazamisile lapho. Usunga-check-a ukuthi ngabe increase noma decrease usuqhathanisa ne-equation yakho oyinikezile. Kodwa uma ngabe kuyi-pressure, pressure yona iyo-affecta kanje pressure. Oh, i-pressure ayinawo kakhulu indlela yokuyiklema ngale ndaba yamakhefu. I-pressure uyibona ubona ngenakhuzana, so usu-check-a laphaya ama-number of moles, kodwa sikayitholi i-question ye-pressure. But for i-concentration ne-temperature kukanje, into ebengifuna ukuyisho la ukuthi if the amount of oxygen was removed or decreased, i-graphite bezoshona phansi, bese mhlawumbe ya-increase ngendlela thile. Kodwa lokhu kuqala kushona phansi kusho ukuthi into siyi-remove-ile. Lokhu ukuthi i-increase iye phezulu kusho ukuthi into siyi-edile. Lezo kade ngifuna ukuthi ngiziveze. Now, uyesizilana-ke. Yini ngize ngikhulumise le nto yoku-add-a noku-remove? Ingoba lapha nabathi the catalyst is added. So uku-add-a kwe-catalyst kufanele kube khona into eyenzakalayo. So futhi sinamakheva ayaphezulu. So lo dotted line uzoya phezulu, dotted line. Bese lo solid naye futhi kanjalo. So for i-catalyst ba-increase ngokulinganayo. Amagrafu wethu nje a-increase ngokulinganayo. Uku-add-a kwe-catalyst ayikho i-reaction esiyifavorayo. We are not favoring the forward or a reverse reaction, but both reactions are favored equally. Ngakho-ke amagrafu wethu increase ngokulinganayo for ini ubona ngoku-increase kanje ukuthi okay i-catalyst leya abayi-edile laphaya. So if i-catalyst mhlawumbe beyikade ivele ikhona bese the catalyst is removed, qedelela igraph yakho, futhi wena silindele ukuthi graph yethu izohamba kanje, silindele into enje, silindele into enje. So kufanele wazi ukuthi i-catalyst nje laphayana-ke. Kufanele uyazi definition ye-catalyst. Zonke lezo zinto lezo.